Hello, myself Hitarth Bhatt, and I have done Master Selenium Automation Testing course, which includes Selenium with Java, Postman, and JMeter. When I first walked into the STAD Solutions, I wasn't sure what to expect. Coming from completely different field, I felt nervous. Would I able to do keep up? But from day one, the experience was beyond. What could I have imagined? The faculty here are not just teachers; they are mentors who guide you through the every challenges. They made complex topics like Selenium automation testing seem simple and even fun. They often share real world examples that made everything click. We focused entirely on automation, from writing script to understanding frameworks, and I love how hands on every session was. By the end of the course, I felt confident and ready to switch my old non IT job into the field I had liked to dreamed of. STAT Solutions didn't just teach me automation testing, they taught me how to think like a tester. Thank you for the wonderful journey, STAT Solutions.